Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh and hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about filters in Revit, that how to create filters in Revit and how to manage them with filters. Like अगर हमें डिफरेंट कॉलम्स हैं, अगर हमें सारे कॉलम्स में से किसी पर्टिकुलर कॉलम का डिफरेंट कलर चाहिए या फिर हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर कमेंट से मार्क्स टाइप से हमें अगर फ़िल्टर करना है तो हम उसे किस तरीके से फ़िल्टर कर सकते हैं। फ़िल्टर आउट करने में हमें इजी होता है कि हम मतलब कैसे हम डिफरेंट थिंग में से हमें जो चाहिए वो चीज़ हम कैसे फ़िल्टर आउट करते हैं, वो चीज़ हम रेविट में कैसे करते हैं, वो चीज़ आज हम सीखेंगे। सो बेसिकली वी स्टार्टेड विथ कॉलम्स एंड so first make it column and there are grids. We make a grid and then we take a structure column, like any type of column. This one is good, and add grids. Oh, sorry, we select depth here, that's why it is not showing. So we take height and yes, it is showing now. Okay, and this is a steel column, that's why we make it fine and give it a scale 1 is to, actually 1 is to 200. ठीक है, and now we are going to make a filter out of these. So firstly, so in here is the 3D view. Now we can go to visibility graphics and filters, and here is the option add and edit new. Then we can make a filter, we can name it like if we are making column we can name it column, any name we can give it to this. Okay, now we select the category, like column is in comes under the structure column category, so we select structure columns. And now this is the main part where we can categorize with what type of filter we want to give in. So I want to filter it by comments, so we select comments here. And here there are many options like equals to, does not equal, greater than. The value you put in it comments is depends upon it, so we get it, we take it equals. And now we put here some value like C, we put C1, anything you want to put in comments, like apply. Okay, and now here you can see the column filter, now click on it. Okay, so here is the filter we can make, like we make a filter of column that's shown here in filters. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि बस एक ही filter हो सकता है, many filters are here. So in 3D view we go in projection surface, go to patterns, and if we want to give a color then we have to choose solid fill and color override any color like red. And okay, apply. Okay, so here we can see there is no change in colors. Why it is? Because we filter it by comments, but now here you can see if you can select a common column, then there is comments, it is blank. So after selecting columns we can select all columns, and if we put in comments C1, as we put in filters like C1 comment, C1 value is put it in filters. So if we apply, then you can see the colors are changes. If so, that's how filter works. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.